Here's how to install the rear skins on your 79 Series Dual Cab. Start by taking the rear seats out of the car and removing the headrests. Next, unbolt the side brackets to separate the seat base from the seat back. With the seat base removed, take off the existing factory seat skin by unclipping the metal hooks and removing any clips or fasteners. Once done, lay out the new seat skin and feed the seat belt and buckle through the slot provided. Start by fixing the listing cloth on the new skin to the metal rods inside the seat foam using the straight hog ring pliers. There are usually 3 metal rods for each listing cloth to hook onto. Repeat this process throughout the entire seat until the cover is secured and tight. Once done, flip the seat over and clip the leather strips you've pulled through earlier, making sure everything is nice and tight. Find the white fabric alignment strips on the inside of the skin and start clipping it to the seat where the pins are embedded. Repeat this process until all clips are attached, using the white circular markings as a guide, but remember, they don't always line up with the actual holes. Feel through the leather first, finding the hardware, then making a small cut and open it up slowly. Always cut the holes slightly smaller so the headrest trims and plastic pieces sit tight and clean. Do the same for the side lever opening, checking it lines up neatly with the plastic trim so it clips back on without gaps. Once aligned, pull the cover firmly into place, working from the center outwards for a smooth, even fit. Repeat the same process for the backrest. But remember, they don't always line up with the actual holes. Feel through the leather first, finding the hardware, then making a small cut and open it up slowly. Always cut the holes slightly smaller so the headrest trims and plastic pieces sit tight and clean. Connect the connecting rods using a plier so the seat can flip and operate as normal. Make sure the rods are clipped back into their original spots and move freely. Once that's done, bolt the base and the backrest together again. Reinstall the side brackets, then refit the plastic trim, side lever trim and headrest. Push any excess leather neatly into the seat slots. If there are any wrinkles in the leather, use a heat gun on low and gently warm the area until it smooths out. Don't overdo it, and refit the complete seat back into the car. Check that all clips are secure and the seat is sitting snug and even. And that's it, your 79 dual cab rear seat skins are now installed, looking tight, clean and factory fresh.